Sound is a type of energy that travels through the air, water, or any other medium in the form of waves. These waves are created when an object vibrates, causing the surrounding air particles to vibrate and creating a chain reaction that carries the sound to our ears. The sound waves travel at a certain speed and frequency, which determines the pitch and volume of the sound we hear. The cause of sound can be anything that vibrates, from the strings of a guitar to the vocal cords of a person speaking. The vibration causes a disturbance in the air, which creates a sound wave that travels through the air. The frequency and amplitude of the wave determine the pitch and volume of the sound. The nature of sound can be described as a type of energy that travels through a medium, such as air, water, or solids. Sound is produced when an object vibrates and causes the surrounding particles of the medium to vibrate as well, creating a series of compressions and rarefactions that propagate through the medium as a sound wave. Sound waves have several characteristics that determine their nature. One of these characteristics is frequency, which refers to the number of cycles or vibrations per second and is measured in Hz, Hc. The frequency of a sound wave determines its pitch, with higher frequencies producing higher pitched sounds and lower frequencies producing lower pitched sounds. Another characteristic of sound waves is amplitude, which refers to the intensity or loudness of the sound wave and is measured in decibels, decibel. The amplitude of a sound wave is determined by the amount of energy the vibrating object transfers to the surrounding medium, with higher amplitudes producing louder sounds. The speed of sound also plays a role in its nature. The speed of sound varies depending on the medium through which it travels and the temperature and pressure of that medium. In air at room temperature, for example, sound travels at a speed of approximately 343 meters per second, 1,125 feet per second. Finally, the nature of sound can also be affected by the physical properties of the medium through which it travels. For example, sound waves travel differently through the air than through water and can be reflected, refracted, or absorbed by different materials. In summary, the nature of sound is defined by its characteristics, including frequency, amplitude, speed, and the physical properties of the medium through which it travels. Understanding these characteristics can help us better understand and appreciate the power and complexity of sound in our daily lives. The effects of sound are diverse and can be both positive and negative. On the positive side, sound can be used for communication, entertainment, and even therapy. It can bring people together, create a sense of community, and provide comfort and relaxation. Music, for example, can evoke strong emotions and memories and has been used throughout history to bring people together and express cultural identity. On the negative side, sound can cause damage to our hearing and health. Exposure to loud noises over time can lead to hearing loss and other health problems such as tinnitus, a ringing, buzzing in the ears. Noise pollution can also hurt our quality of life, causing stress, sleep disturbances, and even cardiovascular problems. In conclusion, the sound is a powerful and ubiquitous force that shapes our world in many ways. From the simple act of communication to the complexity of music and art, the sound is an integral part of our lives. Understanding the causes and effects of sound can help us appreciate its power and potential, and use it for the benefit of all.